Coming up, 22 Miles, Wayfinding, and their collaboration with Future Robot.
You're watching YBL TV.
How's 22 Miles using Wayfinding to change the marketplace?
It's a great question. One of our specialties is editing. There's a lot of companies out there doing wayfinding, 3D, or mixing in match, but none of them are able to do the editing platform for a novice user. That's what's really the competitive advantage with us in a global environment, that we are able to take PNG maps or going to Illustrator, putting in, making it 3D, or even just two-dimensional, and then having a user that doesn't know anything about design world to edit, to dynamically change their route, to create a preferred route, all within our one platform. And that's really the big differentiator between us and everyone else.
So as your customers just becoming so much more user-friendly?
Exactly, yeah. We made the platform to be widget-based, to be drag and drop, and then catalog-driven from Excel or other imported data. So you're able to really just manipulate the data and the content in real time. From the wayfinding perspective, you're now able to also have things be real-time floor plate. Let's say you're in a classroom or a boardroom. We now can associate room booking or associate with, like, let's say Crestron or Office 365, and in our wayfinding, actually in real time, show who's sitting where, like what room is being occupied, and you can see the vacancy, and maybe you want to book that room within our wayfinding. So our data allows you to have two different touch points or two different engagements from what you're doing on a daily basis to then our wayfinding, and you don't have to worry about how to do that because we automate that for you, reading your data information. And that's that integration piece that's also really strong with us above and beyond just our wayfinding and our entire platform in general.
Tell me about the 22 Miles collaboration with Future Robot.
Sure, what you're looking at here, this is Mia. This is one of my engineers' new girlfriends. She actually is being put into an environment with our wayfinding. So actually she's able to provide full exact information from a large format, but on the go in an actual robot, where, as you can see, very animated, very cool applications in this piece of equipment.
How's Future Robot using 22 Miles?
Great question. It's actually working off the same exact platform. In this case, they're using it in an airport environment for wayfinding. So they're going to put 3 or 4 of these or 5 of these that it actually talks to individuals, so it kind of also helps in an ADA environment for speech and text. It's a good analytics as well. You can kind of gather the different demographics and associate some different content to that person. Again, it can do the wayfinding that we have built in, videos, it can show, you can have fun with it and do selfies. So there's a lot of fun things for any age to work with, and then it gives more of that animation and interaction from a robot perspective, and that's, I think, where the industry is now going. It's kind of figured a new way to interact with people using robots.